What if businesses could be more than profit? What if it could serve humanity? That's the question that started our journey at Global Work Digital Company. We saw businesses struggling, startups with dreams but no direction, entrepreneurs with passion but no visibility, companies with talent but no real growth. We noticed some deeper. Many companies were working with people, but not truly for people. At Global Work, we believe in both. We don't just collaborate. We care. We work with people and for people because that's how real impact begins. So we built Global Work, not just another digital company, but a partner with purpose. We combine creativity, technology, and trust to help brands grow smarter and stronger, not only with but also for human society. For us, every project means more than clicks or campaigns. It's about building trust, empowering voices and creative impact that last. Because when we serve you together, we serve humanity. If you want more than just services, if you want a partner with 100% trust, purpose and professionalism, welcome to Global Work. Let us make a deal. We serve you, you serve humanity.